I remember growing up in Penang, and back in Penang, we call it karipok. Karipok. Traditionally and originally, karipok is made by the Indians. I still remember those days, and I just love eating the Indians' karipok. So it was originally created by the Indians back in those days. And the Indian karipok is quite different from the Chinese or the Malay karipok or karipap these days. The Indian karipok is relatively large in size and is quite flat and is extremely crunchy on the crust of the pastry. And inside it can be potato, pea, and sometimes it does have chicken as well. The best thing about the Indian karipok, it always comes with pickled shallots. And the shallots is pickled with chilies, which is bird-iced chili, so it is a little bit spicy. It's sweet and it's salty. I just can't get enough of the Indian karipok. It's so hard to find this traditional, original karipok these days in Penang. And if I do find it, I will always buy at least 2 or 3 to take home to snack at any time of the day. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own puff pastry today. If you're not going to use all the puff pastry, you can actually put it in the fridge if you're going to use it tomorrow, or put it in the freezer, and when you want to use it, just take a few pieces at a time and throw it out in the fridge. So what I'm doing with this, I'm going to freeze them. I'm going to make a vegetarian version of karipap. I have made 3 pieces of vegetarian karipap, which I'm going to deep fry. That is the traditional way of making karipap, is to deep fry it. Now, you don't have to. If you prefer a healthier way of making your karipap, you can actually bake it in the oven. Or if you have an air fryer, you can use an air fryer. But I'm just going to deep fry my karipap. If you haven't made the pastry yourself before, keep trying and eventually you'll get it. Just have a bit of fun. Don't take it too seriously and enjoy it. And also the ingredient for a plain flour or all-purpose flour is not that expensive. So you can keep trying until you get it right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Until next week, my name is Victor Koo. Thanks for watching.